Police custody for Iqbal Kaskar's attackers till the 30th of May. We'll be getting more information regarding the same. In fact, Jugal will be joining us live in the meantime to give us more details. In fact, let's listen into the lawyer of Iqbal Kaskar, and here's what he had to say.
Today, two accused brought into court number 15, Indra Kumar Lal Bahadur Khatri, Sayyid Bilal Mustafa, produced before the court number 15 under section 302 and 34 of IPC. They are remanded to the police custody up to 26th of May 2011. The allegations are under section 302, read with 34 of IPC, 3 of Arms Act, punishable under section 25 and 27. The deceased person is Asif Abu Bakr. Today, he was produced before the court. He was arrested at 4:30 a.m. today. JJ Marg police station arrested the two accused persons. The weapons were recovered from the accused by the police. There are three guns, 12 cartridges, 12 cartridges, and 5 cartridges. It might be possible that some gang is involved in, and they were sent by the gang person. Police want to investigate the matter in deep manner, and therefore the police custody granted. No, that is not yet.
And Jugal now joining us from right outside the court. Now, Jugal, we know that the attackers have been given custody till the 26th. Do we know anything about what kind of arguments have been put forward? Has the police been able to make out who these people are?
Well, let me first take you through the entire proceedings of the day. We were here from 10:30 onwards, which is when we saw a gradual build-up of forces in the area. As you can see behind me also, in this area, which is the Mazgaon court, there were a lot of policemen, in fact, bomb disposal squads, armored protected vehicles, a lot of them actually coming in. And at the moment when these two people were brought inside the court from this entry gate here, there was a massive posse of policemen around the entire convoy, which was obviously being done by keeping in mind that there may be a sort of retaliatory attack on these two people. Ultimately, when they were taken inside the court, they were made to stand in front of the magistrate, who incidentally did not ask the two accused to lift their veil and show their face, but instead was satisfied with asking them if they were being treated fine and if their medical tests were done, so to which they replied in the affirmative. The entire court proceedings did not last beyond 5 to 6 minutes, which is when the police produced a remand copy and handed it over to the magistrate. The magistrate, on reading the copy and just asking a couple of questions to the accused, which I just mentioned, decided that they will be given, they will be granted to the custody of the police till the 26th of May. So that is the crucial thing, 26th of May. Subsequently, we spoke to the public prosecutor, and he said that these two people were not the only two who were involved in the attack. The police believe there to be 4 people who were involved in the attack. So clearly, meaning that 2 more are absconding. That the primary ground on which the police has sought the custody of these 2 men is the fact that they think that there is a possibility of a rival gang being involved, so they need to investigate which gang had financed, which gang had tasked these 2 people to execute this particular operation. The prosecutor even going on to mention that 3 firearms were recovered, 12 live cartridges, 5 shells were recovered from the spot, so meaning that these two accused had fired 5 rounds on the deceased and perhaps an attempt on Iqbal Kaskar's life. So these are the fresh details which are emerging right now. And a few moments back, these two accused were driven off from this very gate and they were taken to the JJ Marg police station, where they will be kept in custody till the 26th. The police is not really revealing what they intend to do, but sources are telling us that they will be put through a lot of interrogation. There will be some amount of medical tests which will be done.